Hello, it's Mr. Burkhart. I'm going to make a quick answer key for assignment number 1 for week 7. So let's use our drawing tool. So we have a dog that's being lifted, and I think on your copy I went ahead and included some boxes for you. So we got the force of gravity pulling down, which is 400. That's weight. And we have a crane, tension pulling up, which is 600, right? And so the difference, we have 600 up and 400 down. So the answer is 200 newtons up, because that's supposed to be a 4, not a 7. Because up cancels down. Now the next one, we have a car. It's accelerating down the road. We have an engine supplying 900 newtons of force this way. So that's a pushing force. I'm supposed to label that. And there's friction over here. All right, friction. Friction is 350. So draw a free body diagram. Well, there are 2 other forces acting on the car. There's force of gravity and the normal force, but they cancel each other out. They're balanced. So they don't contribute to the math part of the problem. So we have 900 right, 350 left. Right and left cancel each other because they're opposite signs, opposite directions. So 900 minus 350. Let's see, let's carry the 1, 550 newtons. All right, next we have a rocket, and it's experiencing an engine thrust of 78,000 newtons. Oh, this should be a newton here, not a kilogram. So the weight is 3330 newtons. That should be red. That's force of gravity. And the rocket force up is 78,000 newtons. So basically, that's the free body diagram. The net force is the difference between them. It's 78,000 minus 3330. Okay, let's 7647 newtons. All right, we have an elevator. So this one's a little trickier. We have an elevator that weighs 10,000 newtons. All right, force of gravity. And it experiences an upward force of 1,000. So the net force is 1,000. And there's a tension here. Right, but the tension is not 1,000. The tension is the tension. The 1,000 is equal to the tension minus the force of gravity, which is 10,000. So I'm going to write 10K because I ran out of room. So 1,000 equals something minus 10,000. So this would be 11,000. 11,000 minus 10,000 is 1,000. So the answer is 11,000. So it's just a little bit harder problem. Now we have a hockey puck and it's sliding on the ice, free body diagram, force of gravity, normal force, and it's at a constant speed. There is nothing pushing the hockey puck, it's just sliding, and or I am sliding. Okay, so I am sliding, so let's just say I'm pushing myself with a pushing force, and there's a force of friction. Well, everything's balanced because constant speed. So if the speed is constant, right, that means the change in the speed is 0, which means the acceleration is 0, which means the net force is 0. If I'm sliding along at a constant speed, there's no net force. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk.